It's officially that time of year where Stylevana launches their annual advent calendar, and as always, I'm here to unbox it with you guys and share my thoughts. So this is this year's. We've got 25 moment of cheers. And before we get started as to what's in here, I gotta give you guys all the details, which will also be in the description box below, so you have a place where they're all written down. So this is a value of $448, which is about 450 bucks. On the website, this will be $209 plus a 20% off coupon code, which I will put here on screen and in the description box, like I said. Let me do the math on that. $167. For 25 full-size products, that's actually insane. So let's go ahead and dig in and see what you're getting for that price. Now, as always, I personally think that these are a really good opportunity to not only like stock up on products, but also I've discovered a lot of my favorite beauty products through boxes like these, because what they usually do is they like curate the products in here. So they have great information, obviously, of what's best selling for them and what performs well. So it's kind of like getting a box of recommendations from fellow shoppers, and Stylevana, like I said, does a great job of this every single year, which is why I'm always so excited to check it out. So this is what the box looks like. It is pretty hefty, and then if you open this up, you have all of these boxes in here, which we are going one by one as we always do. Box number one, step one to your dream skin. Oh, okay, we have Purito here. This is the Oat In Gentle Exfoliating Face Cleanser. I actually really love the moisturizer of this, and Purito does a really great job of making products for sensitive skin, which is why I like that Oat product, because it's really calming on the skin. I've never tried this, but I do love the line, so I'm really excited for this. Box number two, which says, put on a sheet mask, relax. Two sheet masks in here. These are from Round Lab, the 1025 Docto Hydrating Water Gel Mask. Another great line. I actually haven't tried these masks in particular, but I know I love the toner from this, and also their cleanser is really popular, so I'm excited to try this because, again, really great for sensitive skin types. And one thing that I've noticed throughout the years with these Stylevana advent calendars is they do a really good job of being pretty universally friendly, so they'll opt for products that work well for a lot of different skin types. Box number three. Coffee and sunscreen. What could that be? Ooh, oh, sunscreen, my friends, which this is like a hot commodity right now. This is a How Wonder Black Rice Moisture Airy Fit Daily Sunscreen, SPF 50 PA Quadruple Plus. It's unscented. I love Haru, and I've actually used this before. This is a really, really nice sunscreen that doesn't have much of a white cast, blends on really nicely, and is great for moisturizing my dry skin type. So this is really nice. Mini vacation for your skin. Ooh, I love this. Okay, we have a little trial set here. This is the Heartly Calming Trial Set from Abib. Abib is one of my favorite lines for my sensitive skin type, and I like their mask product, but I have not tried any of these. So these are always a great opportunity to not only try a bunch of different products from a brand, but also I take these for, you know, travel and things like that. So that's a nice little set. All right, we have number 5, Personal Masterclass to Glow. We have something from Jungseonwoo. This is the Masterclass Glow Base. I've actually seen so much about this. This is supposed to be really good for giving you that like celebrity glass skin look you see a lot of people rocking, but this also has an SPF, which I like. So this is something that I'm definitely gonna have to give a go. I don't think I've tried this. I need to see what it looks like. No, I haven't. So if you can see that, it has like a little bit of like a pink base to it to give you a bit of that like illumination of the skin. And it also has a bit of like a pearly effect to it, so if you can kind of see the difference between my hands. And I can just feel on the back of my hand, it has a bit of tack to it, which will probably help with like adherence of makeup. All right, number 6, Step Forward Timeless Beauty. Ooh, I love this product. This is from Celimax. This is the Real Noni Energy Ampule. Again, I like this for my sensitive skin type, and this actually was popular on a lot of Korean boards for a while, so that's how I found out about this. So it's definitely won quite a few awards. My cat's going crazy in the background, so hopefully she's not distracting. Okay, so now we have like a little mini row here, so 7. It says Fierce Eyeliner Flicks Pending. Ooh, one of my favorites. We have this one from Merzi. This is the first pen eyeliner. It's very long-lasting, inky black pen liner, so this is a great one. Again, another thing that I like about these boxes is often they'll throw in a bunch of staples. Like I can always use black eyeliners. So number 8, we have the Holly Jolly Beauty Goodness. This is from the Face Shop Coloring Stick eyeshadow in the shade Dark Brown. I have not tried these, but I have noticed that the Face Shop has been coming out with really great face products. Number 9 is One Swipe 2 Fluttery Magic Must Be Mascara. Oh my gosh, I haven't tried this mascara in so long. This is a Tude Curl Fix mascara. Tude was one of the few Korean brands that I actually like their mascara, so I'm curious to give this a go because I haven't tried it in a while, and it's just in their typical black color. Number 10 says Make Your Health Goals a Priority. Oh, okay, we got 5 sticks of something. This is the Green Monster? Kombucha. Oh, kombucha. Kombucha drink? That's kind of nice. I like kombucha. So maybe a probiotic drink, I'm gonna assume. All right, box number 11. Bright Eyed and Awake. Ooh, this is a good one. This is from Mary May. This is the tranexamic acid and glutathione eye cream. So both of those are going to be really helpful for like brightening the skin and under eye area. Tranexamic acid is like one of my favorite ingredients for like hyperpigmentation. And it's also just in general like a really nice eye cream that I like. All right, box number 12. This one's a little bit bigger. And it says the essence of healing comes in a small bottle. Oh, yeah, this is a good one too. This is the PDRN Essence from VT Cosmetics. I've actually been talking about this specific product a lot recently because this is one of those products that I feel like is good for a lot of different skin types. And I've tried a couple of their different essences from VT Cosmetics, and I think they're actually very, very nice. So the PDRN one, if you're looking to try that as like an ingredient in general, this is a great place to start. Okay, and then last but not least on this side, we have the 13th box. It says Flawless Skin for the Festive Season. Oh, ooh, this looks, okay, I have not tried this, but I love Sewn By Me, and this looks amazing. This is their PDRN Spirulina Soothing Repair Serum. This looks like it's gonna be so nice and cooling on the skin. I love the packaging, and the color of that is just phenomenal. Like, that's immediately gonna go into my skincare routine. Ooh, there's like capsules. I'm assuming that's the PDRN, if you guys can see that in the formula. Neat. All right, so we have covered boxes 1 to 13, so we are going to flip this guy and go to the next section, which is here at the bottom. All right, so now box 14 is the long guy over here. I mean, as always, am I right? We have the, Grow Us Sea Salt Therapy Scalp Scaler. So I have been testing out some products from this brand because I've seen a lot of buzz about this, and this smells amazing. So the scalp scaler is gonna be really good for when you need like a deep exfoliation, you feel like you have like product buildup on your scalp. Something like this is really nice for removing that. We've got box 15, which says Collagen Goals Achieved. So this is the A+B or APLB, if you know it by that. This is a collagen EGF peptide facial cream. I actually have talked about this before on my channel. I like that their line is like no fuss. Like, they give you the ingredients and they're very upfront about like formulations and stuff. So I really like, I'm sorry, I'm distracted. But this is a really nice line. Box number 16. We have the Skin 104 Madagascar Centella Pormizing Quick Clay Stick Mask. I've actually been wanting to try this because I have been getting like congested skin lately, and I feel like something like this would be really nice because I actually don't get it all over my face. I get it on very select areas of my face, so this seems really nice at like targeting those areas. So this might be an immediate try for me as well. And Skin 104 is like a great skincare brand as well. We have box number 17. It says Sun Safe and Glowing. Ooh, we have the VT Cosmetics Essence Sun Pack. So it looks like that. This is going to be really nice just for touch-ups in general. And if you're someone who likes to like re-up on their sunscreen throughout the day, this is like a really nice format to use because you can just like apply it over makeup basically in a cushion format. So it's very handy and portable. Box number 18. This one says Cool, Calm, and Collected. I like how all these are like little hints as to what's in the box. Oh, one of my favorites, the Dear Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. I can always use this. This is really great for soothing down irritated skin, if you have inflamed skin, and it just overall is like really nice healing type of cream. So I like this. This has been like a long-term favorite of mine. All right, where's number, 19's over here in this corner. It says Smoother Lips for Better Sleep. Ooh, I haven't tried this yet either. This is from another great brand, CMP Laboratory, the Propolis Lip Serum. I've heard a lot of really great things about this, and I've been very good about moisturizing my lips and using a lip mask at night, so this might have to go directly into my nightstand so I can keep my lips nice and moisturized. Did I put this? Oh my gosh, I think this was an upside down. Sorry if that was driving you guys nuts. Okay, let's see. Box number 20. We have the Bia Downy Cheek. This is in the shade Downy Taro, which sounds really pretty. It looks really pretty. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's like a super nice cool toned kind of lilac-y blush. Kind of like a mild mauve, I'd call it. And it's also cream, which is like my favorite type of cheek product. 21, On The Go Glass Lips. Tokobo. I actually got one of these, I think last year in a different shade. This is the glass tinted lip balm. Look at that color. And the packaging. Tokobo has like the cutest like packaging. You won't lose that in your purse. Box number 22. It says prime before you shine. Yes, this is the SEM. This is the eye primer. I have been using this for years, so it's nice to have another one. You can always use these because like you have to throw them away eventually. So love that. That's a great box. Oh, I missed box 23. Okay, I was just doing B-roll and realized I didn't show 23. How does that even happen? But I haven't tried this. This is from a new brand, Pretty Skin. And this looks like a little loose powder. It's like a sebum powder. I'm interested in this brand. 24, which is another big sized one, and it feels pretty hefty. It says glow brighter than the angel. Medicube. We have the PDRN Pink Cica Soothing Toner. I'm just dipping into the PDRN line from Medicube, and so far it's been pretty nice. I have not tried the toner yet, so this is a good opportunity to try it. Oh, it looks pretty watery, not milky or anything like that, so that might be good for like oily skin types as well. We are on to the last box, box 25. It says, Season's Greetings of Joy and Relaxation. Ooh, another good one. This is from Orencia. You guys have seen this brand. It has some pretty trendy products. This is the Fresh Blue Hyssop Rice Mochi Cleanser. I have not tried this one. I tried the Rose Cleanser, and that one's really nice and has like soft grains in it. So I believe this also has like little granules in it. So not only does it cleanse, but it gives you like a mild little manual exfoliant at the same time. That's exciting. I get to try another version. So that was this year's Stylevana Advent Calendar again. And as always, it is a hit, like a lot of really great products in here, and I always feel like they do a really good job of like picking their products and curating them, and they provide amazing value. So again, I'll put everything down in the description box below with the link to use, the discount code so you can get the most money off. And yeah, thank you Stylevana for sending this for me to check out. And as always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!